Hello viewers, we are back for business. We are still on Venn diagram, but today we are going to talk about 3 set problems. We are done with 2 set problems. This topic is for the senior high students. So let's go to the board. We have our Venn diagram here. We are going to interpret the meaning of the figures here. So take note. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, when you take the 1 belongs to A, B, and C. Take note. The 1 belongs to A, B, and C. So, we say region 1 belongs to A, B, and C. So take note. That's A intersection B intersection C. Now when you take the 2, region 2, the 2 belong to both A and B. The 2, it belongs to both A and B. So, region 2 belongs to both A and B. Then, region 3, the same thing. Region 3 belongs to both B and C. So, take note. Region 3, it belongs to both B and C. So, region 3, we have both B and C. Good. Then we have region 4. Region 4 belongs to both A and C. So, take note. Both A and C. That's region 4. So, region 4, we have both A and C. Good. Now let's go to region 5. Now region 5 belongs to A only. Are we getting it? Good. Region 5, it belongs to A only. Those who offered only A. So region 5. Only A. Good. Then we come to region 6. Yes, what do you think? Good. Good. You are right. Okay, good. It belongs to only C. Students who did only C, who offered only C, they belong to only C. So, region 6, because only C. Then we come to region 7. Region 7 belongs to only B. Only B. Okay. Now we come to region 8. Now, region 8, as we did in the 2 set problems, they belong to neither A nor B or C. So, they did not take part in any of the games or the studies. So, A, B, C. So, region 8, neither A, B, nor C. So, they don't belong to any of the letters, either A, B, or C. Now, take note. Now, when you come to A, now, the A is made up of region 1, region 2, region 3. So, take note. Region 1, region 2, region 3 will give us plus region 5, give us region A. Okay, so A to region 1 plus region 2 plus region 4 plus region 5 will give us A. Take note, region A is equal to region 1 plus region 2 plus region 4 plus region 5 will give us A. Okay, now let's go to B. So region B we have region 2, region 1, region 3, region 7. So take notes. So region 1 plus region 2 plus region 3 plus region 7. So take notes. Take notes. Let's go to C. C2 we have, now C, it will take this part here. So all the figures here. So this. So region 1 plus region 3 plus region 4 plus region 6 will give us C. So we have region 1 plus region 3 plus region 4 plus region 6 will give us C. So this is how we are going to interpret the figures. Please, if you're able to understand the meaning of the figures here, when you draw your Venn diagram, you will not have any problem. You will understand it perfectly. Good. So this is how we are going to interpret the figures here. If you have any question, try and submit your question. I will answer it for you. Okay? Good. Okay, so let's try our question. Now the question says, mathematics, English, and life skills books were distributed to 50 students in a class. 22 had mathematics books, 21 English books, and 25 life skills books. 7 had mathematics and English books, 6 mathematics and life skills books, and 9 had English and life skills books. Illustrate the information in a Venn diagram. Good. Now, in our previous lesson, we learned how to write the data. So, we are going straight forward to draw a Venn diagram. Now, let's look at how we are going to draw the Venn diagram with the 3 sets problem. So, we have number of mathematics, number of English, then number of life skills. Now, when you read the question says 50 students. So, number of universal sets, 50. Out of the 50, 22 had mathematics. The question says mathematics. So mathematics, you place it here. Now take note. Here belongs to mathematics only. This space belongs to mathematics only. Now this is mathematics. So mathematics 22. Good. Now you go to English. 21 had English books. So English 21. And 25 had life skills. So 25. Good. Now, it says 7 had mathematics and English. 7 had mathematics and English. So, look here. Mathematics and English. This mathematics and English. So, this is the intersection of M intersection E. Those who had mathematics and English at the same time, they were 7. So, you put 7. Good. And then 6 had mathematics and life skills. Now look here. Look here. Mathematics and life skills. This is the intersection. those who had mathematics and life skills here. So they had 6. So 6. Okay. Then out of the 50, 9 had English and life skills. Now, English and life skills here. Those who had both English and life skills, there were 9. 9. Good. Now, the question didn't give us those who had all the 3 books. They didn't give it to us. We don't know them. So let's use X to represent them. Okay? Good. So here represents X. We are using X to represent those who had all the 3 books. They didn't give it to us. So you can use any letter to represent it, either X or Y, or any alphabet except O. Good. Now, we don't know those who offered mathematics only. We don't know. Okay? We don't know those who offered mathematics only. Now, because of that, let's use a letter to represent those who offered or those who had mathematics only. So let's use A. Okay? Likewise B for those who had English only. So B represents English only. And then we use C to represent those who had life skills only. And we are getting the lesson. That's good. Now, so C. Now, what are we looking for? What are you looking for? Now, we are going to look for those who had maths only, English only, and life skills only to enable us to determine those who had all the 3 books. So take note. Good. So, A. We are saying that so we are looking for those who had only mathematics. So those who had only mathematics, we are going to have A equals those who had mathematics minus those who had both subjects, 7 plus X plus 6. Good. So those who had only mathematics, 22 minus everything here. Okay? Good. 7 plus X plus 6. So 22